Have you ever asked yourself why some people become unimaginably rich while others struggle their entire lives? Is it luck, or is there a secret? What if I told you that the wealthiest people on this planet follow certain rules, strategies, habits that the rest of the world ignores? Today, we uncover the hidden secrets of the 5 richest men in the world: Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Mukesh Ambani. These are not just stories. These are lessons that, if applied correctly, can change your life forever. But before we begin, take a deep breath and ask yourself, are you ready to think differently? Are you ready to change your mindset? Are you ready to take action? If yes, then let's begin, because this could be the moment that changes everything for you. Chapter 1: Jeff Bezos, the power of thinking long-term. Jeff Bezos started Amazon in a small garage, no money, no investors, just an idea. But unlike most people, he thought long-term, where others looked for quick profits. Bezos focused on building a business that would dominate the next 100 years. Here's what you can learn from him. 1. Customer obsession. Don't chase money, chase value. The more problems you solve, the richer you become. 2. Relentless innovation. Keep improving. Never settle. If you stop evolving, you stop growing. 3. Patience. Real wealth is not built in months or years. It is built over decades. Most people quit when things get hard. But Bezos, he stayed. He fought. And today, he is one of the richest men alive. If you want to be rich, stop looking for quick wins. Think 10, 20, 30 years ahead, because the future belongs to those who can see it before anyone else. Chapter 2: Elon Musk, the power of taking risks. What if I told you that Elon Musk risked everything to follow his dreams? He made millions from PayPal, but instead of keeping it safe, he invested every dollar into Tesla, SpaceX, and Solar City. He had no money left. He borrowed just to survive. And at one point, he thought he would lose it all. But today, he is the richest man in the world. Here's what you can learn from him. 1. Dream bigger. If your goal doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. 2. Take risks early. In your 20s and 30s, take big risks. You have nothing to lose. 3. Be obsessed. Work harder than anyone else. The world does not reward mediocrity. Most people play it safe. They wait. They hesitate. And that's why they stay broke. If you truly want to be rich, take risks, move fast, and never give up. Chapter 3: Warren Buffett, the power of smart investing. Warren Buffett made his first investment when he was just 11 years old. Today, he is worth over $100 billion. Why? Because he mastered the art of investing.
Here's what you can learn from him. 1. Start early. The earlier you invest, the richer you will be.
2. Buy, don't sell. The real money isn't in trading. It's in holding long term. 3. Live below your means. If you always spend more than you earn, you will never be free. Most people waste their money. They buy things they don't need to impress people they don't even like. But Buffett, he saved, he invested, and today, he is one of the wealthiest men in history. If you want to be rich, start investing now, because time is your greatest asset. Chapter 4. Bill Gates, the power of learning. Bill Gates is not just rich. He is one of the smartest billionaires in history. Why? Because he never stopped learning. Even today, he reads 50 books a year. Here's what you can learn from him. 1. Read every day. The more you learn, the more you earn. 2. Surround yourself with smart people. Who you spend time with determines your success. 3. Think ahead. Success is about seeing the future before it happens. Most people stop learning after school, and that's why they stop growing. If you want to be rich, make learning your daily habit, because knowledge is the real power. Chapter 5. Mukesh Ambani, the power of expansion. Mukesh Ambani didn't just build a business, he built an empire. From oil to telecom to retail, he kept expanding. Here's what you can learn from him. 1. Diversify. Never depend on one source of income. The rich always have multiple. 2. Think scale. Small thinking leads to small results. Think big. Build big. 3. Use technology. Every great fortune is built by leveraging technology. The world is changing fast. If you don't adapt, you will be left behind. You now know the 5 secrets of the world's richest people. But knowledge means nothing unless you take action. So ask yourself, will you stay the same, or will you change your life? Starting today, the choice is yours. Like this video, share it, and if you're truly serious about wealth, subscribe now.